In this video, we're going to show you how to send your first text message as well as download the mobile app on iPhone as well as Android so that you can text back and forth with all of your leads while on the go, as well as get instant lead notifications while you're out and about. Now, to send your first text message, what we're going to do is come over here to the Conversations tab and click on Conversations. And then to create a new custom text message, we're just going to click on this compose message icon, and then we're going to type in the customer's name. So for this example, we'll put in John Smith, and then you can see it's already populated this person's contact information. Now, if you have a different phone number, then obviously you'd put that phone number in right here, and then you can type out a message. Then once you're ready, you'll just click on send, and this will send the message to the recipient. And just like in the video before, when the recipient gets this message and they text back, you will be able to see it pop up right here on your screen in the conversation. All of your text conversations will show up in this left-hand column. Now, let's download the mobile app so you can text back and forth with all of your leads while you're on the go, as well as get instant lead notifications when new leads come in. Now, if you have an iPhone, what you're gonna do is type in the Lead Connector app, and you'll download this app and then just sign in with your email and password that you use to sign into our software. Then if you have an Android, then all you're gonna do is go to the Google Play Store and download the Lead Connector app. And once again, you'll just sign in with your email and password you use to log into the software. Now you know how to text back and forth with all of your leads, and you have the mobile app so you can connect with all of your leads and clients while on the go.